Welcome back to Tap Tech. If you are sitting there with your current earbuds thinking you have reached the pinnacle of audio, you might want to rethink your next upgrade. The tech world moves fast, but the leaks coming out of South Korea regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Buds for Pro are moving even faster. We are not just talking about a simple refresh here. We are looking at a fundamental shift in how Samsung approaches personal audio, aiming to dominate the premium market currently held by Sony and Apple. If you thought the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro were a bold step forward with their stem design and blade lights, what is coming next is going to make them look like a prototype. We are tracking a release timeline that aligns perfectly with the next Unpacked event, and the spec sheet is nothing short of aggressive. Let's start with the design, because this is where the controversy usually begins. The shift to the stem design on the previous generation was divisive. It improved microphone quality, sure, but it lost some of that discreet in-ear identifiability that Samsung was known for. The rumors for the Buds for Pro suggest a massive refinement in build quality. We are hearing about a new titanium alloy construction for the acoustic chamber. This isn't just a buzzword. Titanium is lighter and more rigid than plastic, which means less resonance and cleaner sound. It also screams luxury. For the US market, where aesthetics matter as much as performance, this is a huge play. The leaked renders show a softer, more organic curve to the stem, moving away from the sharp, angular Cybertruck aesthetic toward something that feels more natural in the ear. But the real story is what is happening inside that shell. The audio. Driver architecture is getting a complete overhaul. Samsung has been perfecting their dual driver system, and the Buds for Pro are rumored to introduce a new tri-MP system. This means separate amplifiers for the woofer, the tweeter, and the new ultra-high-frequency planar driver. This is the kind of tech you usually find in wired and near monitors that cost thousands of dollars. The goal here is clarity. We are talking about separation so distinct that you can hear the breath of the vocalist and the slide of fingers on a guitar string as two completely separate spatial events. If you are a subscriber to high-fidelity streaming services like Tidal or Apple Music, you know that Bluetooth has always been the bottleneck. The bandwidth just wasn't there. This brings us to the connectivity. The Galaxy Buds for Pro are expected to debut with the next generation of the Samsung Seamless codec, potentially utilizing ultra-wideband technology for audio transmission. It is great, but it has limits. UWB offers significantly higher bandwidth. If Samsung pulls this off, we could be looking at the first true, uncompressed, lossless audio experience in a mass-market wireless earbud. That is the holy grail. It means no more compression artifacts, no more muddy bass, just pure, bit-perfect sound. This feature alone would force the entire industry to play catch-up, of course. In 2026, we cannot talk about tech without talking about artificial intelligence. The integration of Galaxy AI into the Buds 4 Pro is going to be the killer app that locks you into the Samsung ecosystem. We are looking at on-device translation that happens in real time with near-zero latency. Imagine walking through a busy market in a foreign country. You hear a language you don't speak, and your earbuds translate it into your native tongue instantly, while simultaneously lowering the ambient noise of the crowd. The NPU inside these buds is rumored to be twice as powerful as the previous generation, allowing for this processing to happen without draining your phone's battery. Speaking of noise, let's discuss the active noise cancellation. The standard for ANC has risen dramatically. Buds 4 Pro are aiming to dethrone the current kings of silence.
Oh.
The new system is being called AI environmental shielding. Instead of just generating an inverse wave to cancel out constant noise like a jet engine, this new system uses AI to identify and suppress specific sudden sounds. A crying baby, a dropped plate, a siren passing by. These are dynamic sounds that usually pierce through ANC. The Buds for Pro allegedly predict these frequencies in microseconds. To dampen the impact, creates a bubble of isolation that is frankly a little unnerving, but perfect for the commuter lifestyle in busy cities like New York or London. Battery life is the unsexy hero of this story. All these features WB audio, AI processing, tri-amp drivers, consume power. To combat this, leaks suggest Samsung is utilizing a new stacked battery technology borrowed from the electric vehicle industry. This allows for a higher energy density in the same physical footprint. We are hearing estimates of up to 9 hours of continuous playback with ANC enabled. That is a transatlantic flight on a single charge. Combined with the case, you could be looking at over 40 hours of total listening time. And regarding the case, the rumor is that it will finally feature a built-in speaker for Find My tracking that is actually loud enough to hear from under a couch cushion. Alongside wireless charging that is 20% faster than the previous model, we also need to address the health tracking aspect. This is the frontier where Samsung wants to lead. There are strong indications that the Buds for Pro will house a biometric sensor capable of monitoring heart rate and potentially body temperature. For runners and gym-goers, this is a game changer. It means one less device to worry about. Can get accurate biometric data directly from your ear, which is actually a more consistent place to measure heart rate than the wrist during high-intensity interval training. Now the price. All this innovation comes at a cost. The premium audio market has been creeping up in price, and we expect the Galaxy Buds for Pro to reflect that. We are likely looking at a launch price between $280 to $300. It is a steep ask. But when you compare it to the competition, you have to ask yourself what you are paying for. With Apple, you pay for the ecosystem. With Sony, you pay for the legacy of audio engineering. With these new Samsung Buds, you are paying for the convergence of both. You are paying for a device that is as smart as it is loud. The release date is tentatively slated to align with the Galaxy S26 series launch early next year, which means if you are holding out for the ultimate Android audio experience, you have a little bit of time to save up. But be warned, once these drop, the standard for what we expect from wireless earbuds is going to shift. The days of accepting good enough audio just because it is wireless are over, so here's the question you need to ask yourself. Are you ready to upgrade your listening experience, or are you going to stick with the past? The Galaxy Buds for Pro are shaping up to be a monster of a release, and you can bet we will be the first to have them in the studio for a full teardown and review. Make sure you are subscribed to Tap Tech so you don't miss that coverage. We are digging deeper into the rumors every single day to bring you the truth behind the hype. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Asterisk, I want to know what you think. Is the stem design a deal breaker for you, or do you prefer it for the microphone quality? And would you pay $280 for earbuds if they offered perfect real-time? Translation, let me know in the comments down below. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next leak. We have some intel on the S26 Ultra cameras coming up next week that you do not want to miss. This has been Tap Tech, staying ahead of the curve so you don't have to.